Welcome back to our series on gym etiquette. Be sure to connect with Fit Coach David on IG now. DM start for the free guide by going to @AskFitCoachDavid. In part 4, we'll cover some crucial tips to help you create a positive and focused workout environment for everyone. Let's face it, we've all been there. The awkward grunt when someone's blasting music while you're trying to focus on your workout, or the lingering scent of last night's dinner clinging to the gym equipment, making it unpleasant. It's all happened to us at some point. But here's the thing, a little bit of consideration goes a long way in making a difference. By following these simple etiquette tips, you can help create a space where everyone feels respected, motivated, and empowered to achieve their fitness goals together. Let's make this gym a place we're all stoked to be, every single day. These zones are designed for minimal distractions, allowing everyone to get the most out of their session. Look, we all love a good spritz of cologne or perfume, but let's be mindful of our fellow gym goers.
Strong fragrances can be overwhelming, especially in a confined space. Remember, some people are sensitive to scents, and it can actually affect their workout.
It's all about creating an inclusive and comfortable environment for everyone. We've all been there minding our own business at the gym when suddenly someone feels the need to offer unsolicited advice. While well-intentioned, it can be frustrating and even off-putting. Remember, not everyone wants or needs your advice, no matter how well-meaning. Instead of dishing out advice, let's focus on creating a culture where advice is offered only when asked for. We get it. Mirrors are essential for checking your form and admiring those gains. But let's be mindful of hogging the mirror for too long, especially during peak hours. Remember, others need to use the mirrors too. If you're done with your set, step aside and let someone else get their reflection on. Gym challenges are a fantastic way to spice things up, push your limits, and inject some much-needed fun into your fitness routine. Whether it's a push-up challenge, a weight loss competition, or a step count battle, get involved and give it your all. Challenges are a great way to stay motivated, connect with fellow gym goers, and maybe even win some cool prizes along the way. Plus, a little friendly competition never hurt anyone, right? Let's make fitness fun and encourage everyone to level up their game together. Spotting is an essential part of gym etiquette, especially when lifting heavy weights. It's about looking out for each other and ensuring everyone's safety. If you see someone struggling to lift a weight, offer a spot. And hey, don't be afraid to ask for a spot yourself when you need it. It's all about being a team player and creating a supportive gym environment. Group fitness classes are a blast, but let's be mindful of the equipment. Use it as instructed by the instructor and report any malfunctions immediately. Remember, damaged equipment can be dangerous and disrupt the flow of the class. Plus, nobody wants to be that person who breaks the exercise bike. Let's face it, gyms consume a lot of energy and resources, but we can all do our part to minimize our environmental impact. Recycle your water bottles, wipe down equipment after use, and support your gym's sustainability initiatives. Together, we can create a fitness community that's not only focused on personal well-being, but also on the health of our planet. Thanks for watching. Remember, gym etiquette is all about respect, consideration, and creating a positive and productive environment for everyone involved. By following these simple tips, we can all contribute to a thriving and supportive fitness community together. Please like, share, and subscribe with us for more content. Connect with Fit Coach David on IG now. DM start for the free guide by going to @AskFitCoachDavid. And don't forget to click the link below to get started and learn more about how to level up your gym game. See you in the next video, where we'll delve into even more ways to make the gym a place where everyone feels welcome, empowered, and ready to crush their fitness goals.